Ever found yourself wondering how to make the digital world a source of income? Dreamt of turning your online presence into a profitable venture? Well, we're diving into the world of online money-making, unraveling the steps needed to turn those dreams into reality. Step 1. Identify your niche. The online world is a vast ocean of opportunities. However, a ship without a direction is just adrift. So find your passion. It could be anything from writing to graphic designing, coding, teaching, or even gaming. The key is to find something you love and are good at. Step 2. Build your online presence. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to establish your digital identity. Start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or set up a website. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to showcase your skills and talents. Remember, consistency is king in the digital world. Regularly update your platforms with quality content to attract and retain followers. Step 3. Monetize your skills. Once you've built a solid online presence, it's time to turn your skills into cash. There are numerous ways to do this. If you love writing, consider freelance writing for websites or businesses. If you're a graphic designer, sell your designs on platforms like Etsy or Shutterstock. If you're into gaming, try live streaming on platforms like Twitch. You could even offer online tutoring if you have a knack for teaching. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on one method to earn money online. Diversify your income by exploring different avenues. Consider affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. You could also try online surveys or sign up for paid product testing. Another option is to create and sell online courses or ebooks in your area of expertise. Step 5. Stay updated and adapt. The digital world is constantly evolving. New platforms are emerging and trends are shifting. To stay relevant and profitable, it's crucial to keep up with these changes. Regularly update your skills, adapt to new platforms, and be open to experimenting with different strategies. So there you have it. 5 practical steps to start earning money online. Let's recap. Identify your niche. Find something you love and are good at. Build your online presence. This will be your digital identity, your way of showcasing your skills to the world. Monetize your skills. Use your talents to earn money. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And finally, stay updated and adapt. Keep up with the ever-changing digital landscape to stay relevant and profitable. Remember, consistency, patience, and perseverance are crucial in the online money-making journey. So gear up, dive in, and start turning your online presence into a profitable venture.